What if I told you there are AI tools right now that can help people start businesses, create content, automate work, and generate income with little or no coding? Welcome to our deep dive into the top productivity tools for modern creators. Today, we're exploring AI solutions that are changing the game. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It's a practical toolkit for enhancing every aspect of your creative process. The AI revolution is moving faster than ever, creating opportunities that didn't exist even a year ago. Every week, new tools appear that save countless hours of work and open doors for massive business growth. We are exploring 10 powerful AI tools, changing how people work, create, and build successful businesses in 2026. Make sure you stay until number 7. It is one of the most underrated, game-changing AI tools available today. Number 10 is ChatGPT. While many know it as a chatbot, it is far more than that. Entrepreneurs use it to brainstorm ideas and build business plans, effectively turning hours of work into mere minutes. Businesses leverage its power to write professional emails, create marketing campaigns, and maintain consistent brand content. For students and entrepreneurs alike, ChatGPT remains one of the most versatile and powerful AI tools on the market. Number 9 is Claude. Claude is specifically designed to handle large-scale data and massive amounts of information. Professionals use Claude to process extensive data environments where speed and accuracy are non-negotiable. Instead of reading hundreds of pages manually, Claude can summarize key insights and extract patterns in seconds. This capability makes it an incredibly valuable asset for consultants, researchers, and anyone dealing with complex documentation. Now that we've covered the foundation, let's look at what's coming next in our list. The remaining tools on our list are designed to further maximize your efficiency and automate your income streams. Stick around as we count down to the tools that could define your success in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Artificial intelligence is no longer futuristic. It's a practical necessity for efficiency in the modern professional landscape. Number 8 on our list is Gemini, Google's rapidly evolving AI platform that is becoming a major player in the future of work. Gemini seamlessly connects with Google Workspace, allowing you to bridge your AI assistant directly with your professional tools. Whether you need to organize complex information, draft content, or brainstorm new ideas, Gemini streamlines the entire process. Beyond drafting, Gemini assists with calendar automation and setting up productivity scenes to keep your day on track. Number 7 is Perplexity AI, a tool many are calling the future of search, moving away from simple link lists. Instead of wading through results, Perplexity provides direct, concise answers, synthesized from credible sources. Researchers and students use Perplexity to save immense time, with built-in source citations that reshape how we access online knowledge. Coming in at number 6 is ElevenLabs, the leader in creating incredibly realistic AI voiceovers. This technology produces natural-sounding audio that is virtually indistinguishable from human recording, perfect for any professional project. Content creators rely on it to scale their work across podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, and training materials. The intuitive interface allows you to generate high-quality, professional voices in minutes, replacing hours of manual recording. By leveraging Gemini, Perplexity, and ElevenLabs, you are equipping yourself with the tools to dominate your digital workflow. These tools allow you to scale your productivity, reclaim your time, and produce higher quality work than ever before. Number 5 is Runway. It allows creators to produce high-quality video content using artificial intelligence and simple prompts. Runway transforms the traditional video editing timeline, allowing for complex edits with unprecedented speed. Creators can leverage powerful AI effects to enhance visuals that would have previously required hours of manual labor. Seeing a before and after project comparison highlights just how much efficiency this tool adds to a professional workflow. Runway opens the door to creating complex creative digital scenes that were once beyond the reach of independent creators. Number 4 is Midjourney. This tool generates stunning AI artwork from simple text prompts, revolutionizing graphic design. The AI art generation process is seamless, allowing you to iterate on visual ideas in seconds. From concept art to high-fidelity creative illustrations, Midjourney is an essential tool for the modern visual designer. Businesses are increasingly using Midjourney to craft high-impact marketing graphics that stand out in crowded markets. Whether you are designing thumbnails or defining a new brand identity, Midjourney provides the flexibility you need. Number 3 is N8N. Automation is a core trend, and N8N excels at connecting your favorite apps to streamline workflows. With visual workflow diagramming, you can map out exactly how your data moves between different platforms. Connecting your disparate applications into one interface eliminates silos and keeps your projects moving forward. Automated task sequences ensure that repetitive work is handled by the system, leaving you free to focus on creativity. These business automation graphics illustrate the power of putting your daily operations on autopilot. Number 2 is Shopify Magic AI. It is specifically designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs scale their operations. Shopify Magic simplifies online store creation, getting your products in front of customers faster than ever before. Automated product listing generation takes the chore out of inventory management, allowing you to focus on growth. The shopping cart management view becomes incredibly intuitive, helping you monitor customer intent and optimize the path to purchase. With automated sales notification alerts, you stay informed about your business performance in real time, no matter where you are. These tools are just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for what you can create will only expand. By leveraging AI-driven efficiency, you can regain precious time to focus on what matters most, your original human creativity. And finally, number 1, AI agents. Many experts believe AI agents represent the next major leap in artificial intelligence. This represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Instead of simply answering questions, AI agents can perform tasks, conduct research, organize information, and assist with complex workflows. The power of these systems lies in their ability to act autonomously. By automating complex research and workflows, they free up human time for higher-level creativity. Businesses are investing heavily in this technology because it has the potential to transform productivity. Some experts believe AI agents could become as important as smartphones were when they first appeared. We are already seeing autonomous digital assistants integrated into the modern workplace. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. The tools we discussed today are helping creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses work smarter and achieve more. The future is arriving faster than ever, and these advancements are leading the way. Which AI tool do you find most interesting? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.